गुड मॉर्निंग. टुडे इज दी फ्राइडे. आज पूरा दिन मेरा कॉलेज में स्पेंड होगा. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड एंड आई विल शो यू द व्यू फ्रॉम माय विंडो. Isn't it pretty? So ready for college. It's really sunny today. Let's get started. Actually, it's really sunny, so I don't think so I should wear this. I think it's okay. Done. So the next advice is look for job, part-time job. Obviously सबको पता है part-time job बिना फिर survive कैसे होगा. But LinkedIn है, you have Indeed, so many other platform जहाँ पे job search out कर सकते हो. Try to look for those jobs जिस पे minimum wage से ज़्यादा मिले and there's a steadiness in the job, and it's up to you. You can go wherever you want, food industry, sales industry, wherever जाओ as soon as possible. जितना जल्दी job grab कर सकते हो grab करो, because at the end $2,000 से तुम्हारा hardly कितना चलेगा, right? और बस ये तो है. Try to limit your expense. ज़्यादा खर्चा नहीं for the starters यार. ऐसे स्टार्टिंग के टाइम पे थोड़ा लिमिट करो जो तुम इंडिया में नहीं करते होगे. You're used to have like proper meals and everything. यहाँ आके थोड़ा लिमिट हो जाता है, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली होता है. मैं जब दिल्ली में भी जॉब करती थी, या फिर कोई भी कहीं पे भी पहला जॉब करता है, पहले अपनी सिटी से बाहर जाता है या कहीं होता है, तो चीज़ें एडजस्ट करने में टाइम लगता है. तो उसके लिए यू हैव टू लिमिट योर एक्सपेंसेस या फिर चीज़ें या कुछ भी, राइट? बाकी लेट्स रीच डाउनटाउन. So guys, these are my friends. I can call you my friend, right?
You don't know my name?
I'll cut it out.
So it's fine. Yeah.
What's
My
your
name is Sagar.
name?
My name is Sagar. I'm in a third term UCW.
Oh, nice.
Basically, I'm a chartered accountant from India and accountant here and
My God.
CPA firm here in Canada. And we are like creating a blog for the Friday, and I have a morning and evening session, and during this like 5 hours is free for me, and I'm watching my Lord of Rings.
Oh my goodness. I've already watched it.
This is the last episode, like it's pending. It's today only, I guess. Today it came.
बस खत्म कर दोगे अभी.
Okay, thank you so much.
Any advice?
Advice is like it's like now 20 hours limit is over, so we'll be able to earn more and more, and we'll be more focused on study also, because no one will have to work on cash.
Yeah.
It is a
Thank
benefit
you.
for the people who are coming in.
Because the rent is already high.
Yes.
I'm
Rent
paying
is
2600
high.
for the 2 bed 2 bath. I'm paying 2600 for 2 bed 2
Oh my
bath,
God.
and for my one room I'm paying around 1500.
Okay, I thought mine is expensive. I'm paying 700 single room, private room,
So
but
in that
sharing
case,
living room and washroom with my friend, with my
I just
tenants.
took the lease this month, and my wife will be landing here on 10th. It's like just on Monday.
10th of November.
No, no, no. It's just 2 days after.
Oh, so my family is also coming.
Wonderful.
Yeah, she's
21st.
way more
So
excited.
I have my daughter and my husband.
Wonderful. Where are you from?
I'm from Delhi.
Delhi. Nice. I'm from Gujarat, Ahmedabad.
I was in Pune since last 7 years.
Okay.
Any advice, Sonia? As you're very reluctant to give any advice.
Advice, it's like be more, I would say, spend your money in very specific way. Like if you want to spend, then only spend. Otherwise, save for your future. You save for like partying and everything. Yes, it is very much necessary, but yes, be in your budget.
I'd say like not every time partying. For me, partying is somewhat different because I came from a dry state.
Yeah.
And I'm a vegetarian, so I have so many less options available.
Absolutely, I'm a
but
vegetarian.
definitely, we can like create such a group and we can enjoy without even beer also.
Yeah.
So definitely should not change your ethics and values that I can suggest.
Yes, I agree with Sagar and with Sonia. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm so sorry मैं vlog नहीं कर पाई, but we are here at the campus and ये हमारी प्यारी सोनिया है, right? सोनिया, क्या आप सोनिया हो?
Yes, that's Sonia.
आपने फाइनेंशियल एडवाइस तो खैर बहुत ही बेकार दिया. मैं बोलना नहीं चाह रही थी सागर के सामने, बट ठीक है, इट्स ओके. सो फाइनली वी आर डन विद द क्लासेस. सो अब हम लोग कहाँ जाएंगे? अब हम घर की तरफ जाएंगे. आप जाएंगे सरी और मैं जाऊंगी हॉल्डम, राइट? एंड एक बार व्यू दिखाते हैं, राइट? दैट्स द व्यू ऑफ वैंकूवर. It's a downtown. It's pretty, right? है ना सोनिया?
Yes.
आपको वैसे exactly कैसा फील होता है अब? Like it's been 4.5 months in Canada.
So it's like it's a beautiful city, and I think so. It is lively. In downtown, especially, it is very lively,
Mhm.
and I just enjoy it over here.
Same here.
This is
End of my day, but I'll shoot more अभी end of the day में. You can follow me. So यहाँ आने के बाद एक दो रूल तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा follow करना पड़ता है, which is this to click and you have to wait. Oh, we can run, come. So basically this is the weekend vibe, right? थोड़ा इधर आ जाओ. Heading somewhere cool, momos and yes. ना एडवाइस दिया वो सब थोड़ा साइड में, बट पेट पूजा साइड में. यस. So finally I reach my home and this is the end of the day. And बस ये है कि at the end आप ऐसे रहोगे यहाँ आके, but you have to survive, right? और एक home होगा जिसको you will consider a home, obviously कनाडा का home. तो उसको home consider करना और अच्छे से रहना. Bye bye.